Oh my posh! I just got my leader transition kit and my consultant transition kit, and here's the leader kit unboxing. Oh boy. Woo! Oh, it smells so good. Okay, here is the Castaway Coconut kit. You get a face mask, a body wash, and a body whip all in one box. Oh, here is the PJ's All Day new lavender body butter that we got. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. PJ's All Day. We've got a samples of the Rio Roomba foot scrub. Oh, I can't wait to try this. The Olive My Love. It's a gentle, mild face cleaner with olive and avocado oils. The highly anticipated Gender Bender Body Wash. Woohoo! Sulfate free. Amber and soft citrus. A very woodsy scent. Ice cream for ice cream. Yay! I hear this is going to be really popular for people that like light fragrances, and even kids will like it. Let's see, more samples. Our Cackle Spackle samples. Just can't hide it. Okay, this is the Love Me Do Hydrating Face Oil. This is the new formula for the Hot Pepper Shebang Muscle Stick. It now has more heat, and it's now full of essential oils. Oh, body spray. I love the Walk on the Beach body spray. Woohoo! I'm almost out of my Brazilian bombshell, so I'm glad that came in time. The Cucuchilla Berry. This is strawberry cucumber. I bet this smells good. That's a body scrub. Here's the Rio Roomba Sand Foot Scrub. Help extend the life of your pedicure. Let's see. We got some of the new lip scrub. Santa Monica with peach, orange, and mint. Let's see, what else do we have? Ooh, I can't wait to try this. This is from the Posh Life line. It's Heal It In. Oh, Heal In It. This is in the lemon berry fragrance that's in our Posh Life line. Ooh, Purifier Snarky Bar. Ooh, tea tree, eucalyptus, and shea butter. My dog Penny is patiently waiting for a... She loves these things. Because they're made with cornstarch, so they're dog friendly. Got some business tools. The new polka dotted guide. Catalogs for days. Ooh, sorry. Making a mess over here. Alright, what else do we have in here? Ooh, I heard this smells good. Be Sweet, Stand Tall, Wear a Crown. Ooh, it does smell good. And that's with pineapple and coconut, I believe. And samples of the Sassy Suriname. It's a cherry body butter. Let's see. Anything else in here? Now my other dog wants one. Okay, here is the consultant kit. Ooh, snarky. We used to have this before as a splurge, but now we have it permanently. More samples. Enchantress hair serum. Ugh. Strawberry Fields Forever chunk. My daughter is a Beatles fan, so I'm sure she's going to confiscate that for me. And here is the Cackle Spackle. This was a Spooky Posh product that was so popular they brought it on full time. More Walk on the Beach Body Mister. Okay, Good Vibes Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream. I hear that one smells amazing. Another lip scrub. San Juan Shaker Pineapple Coconut. Yum. I bet Brent will like that. Oh, here's that new Key Lime Pie Chunk. Samples. I bet that smells good. And more catalogs. So, if you want a sample of anything that you see here, got some hidden over there, hit me up. Comment below. Bye.